Hey everybody, I'm Yvonne Williams with Back to Earth Creations, and in this video I want to show you my favorite wire wrapping hack. That's actually quite fun, but you'll want to be really careful if this is your first time doing it. You may actually want to wear eye protection. But I have a piece here that I've been weaving, and I want to do just some plain coiled wire. And I can't do this on every project, but if there's enough weight back there, and I'm using an 18 gauge core wire and a 28 gauge coiling wire, but I am just going to take this and angle up so you guys can hopefully see. I'm holding it above my head, holding onto this wire down a little bit, because if there's anything hanging down, it's gonna snag it. And then I just spin. The tail got short enough that I had to just let go. And then careful, because it gets real short and it'll cut your fingers. But I've got calluses for days, and you can see it actually got us a pretty decent coil. Maybe you can see if it'll focus. It's decent enough, at least. And then I'm just going to take it, because the spacing on it is not as tight as I would like it to be. So I'm just going to take that and smush it down. And then we can use our nylon jaw pliers to get in there, grip it, and kind of cinch it down a little bit tighter. But that is so much faster for me and a little bit more fun than sitting there just hand coiling and pushing and hand coiling and pushing, especially whenever I've got a little bit of core wire in the way, like as a tail. But I just wanted to share that with you guys because I'm such a professional. But no, it's important to have fun with what you're doing, and hopefully that y'all might have fun with that. But really though, not even kidding, watch out for your eyes and your face and your cat and your hands and everything, because it you don't want to get hurt wire wrapping. But this is something that I've been doing for probably a few years at this point, but always felt a little silly doing, and I'm like, it's okay to be silly. But if you have any questions, comments, or ideas, please leave them down below. What's your favorite wire wrapping hack? Which can be kind of hard to say. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. But wait, oh, I forgot to tell you about Patreon. We do all kinds of behind the scenes access and blah, blah. You guys have probably heard this like a million times from a million different YouTubers, but there's links to all of my stuff down below. If you're interested in supporting the channel, please check it out. But until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.